Respected principal and dear sister, on behalf of every individual in the St. Joseph family, I would like to wish you a very, very, very happy birthday. Actually, today is a very special day because every one of us share a unique bond with you, and all of us wanted to share a message for you, and we wanted to create this as a memory. So, here is the video where everyone have shared a message, and this is my message actually, sister. I feel sometimes taking decision is easy, but to walk on that decision for the rest of your life is the hardest job. Like for example, on 1st September 1969, a girl was born in Tamil Nadu, and at the age of 18 she have taken a decision to serve as a sister. Obviously, I feel at that time it was easy for her to take that decision because we don't understand every perspective of the life at that age. But after taking that decision, till today, serving as a sister, and not only as a lecturer but lecturer, teacher, nurse, professor, this girl have served many part of the countries, and this is very, very, very highly appreciable task. It is very easy to take care of your own family, but to take care of the community like this is very hard task. So, sister, obviously, these girls mean you. You are very respected and loving sister principal for all of us. You have ruled this kingdom with discipline and with kind heart. I think everybody loves you and you have won everybody's heart. So, sister, wish you a very, very happy birthday. This was my message, and the next messages are like this.
गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर हम सबसे पहले ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करते हैं और प्रार्थना करके हम सभी आदरणीय अपने स्कूल के प्रधान अध्यापक सिस्टर पॉलिन को उनके जन्मदिन पर आज हम हार्दिक बधाई देते हैं और उनके स्वास्थ्य और दीर्घायु के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं। मुस्कुराती रहे ये जिंदगी आपकी, मुस्कुराती रहे ये जिंदगी आपकी, दुआ है हर पल हमारी, दुआ है हर पल हमारी। फूलों से सजी हो हर राह आपकी, फूलों से सजी हो हर राह आपकी, जिसके महके हर सुबह और शाम आपकी, जिससे महके हर सुबह और शाम आपकी। वंस अगेन मेनी मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। हैप्पी बर्थडे सिस्टर। धन्यवाद।
Happy birthday to you. May God bless you abundantly. I pray to God for your good health. Really, we are lucky to have you in our life. And two lines I will say about you. You are having the quality of commitment, dedication, sacrifice, patience, good listener, and it is our privilege to have you in our life. Thank you, sister.
Happy birthday to highly respected sister. You deserve a medal for all the good you have done for our school. Thank you for your patience and caring, kind word and sharing. I am very grateful to have you in my life. Thank you for your encouragement, guidance and support in my life. Once again wish you a many, many happy returns of the day, dear sister.
A very, very happy birthday, sister. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude towards you. Thank you so much for letting me grow under your love, care and guidance. For you, I just want to say few lines from a Hindi song. घोंसले को बार बार तोड़कर उसने चाहा कि सीखे हम उड़ना उससे, परों पर उठाया उकाब की तरह ताकि हमको चोट ना लगे। Once again, thank you so much, sister, for standing by me, and I just want to grow under your guidance. Once again, a very happy birthday, sister. May this day bring a lots of happiness and prosperity in your life and through your life in this society.
Happy birthday, sister. Thank you for always being there to guide and support me like a mother, and your care and concern for me personally as well as for others. It always keeps inspiring me. And I would like to specially thank you for supporting all my initiatives and giving me the freedom to do the activities that we conduct in school.
And there were times when I had felt like giving up and stop things. But your encouraging words and obviously your prayers are always with me, and that is what gives me strength to keep on going. So I would like to thank you specially for that, and I wish and pray that God give you health as well as all the happiness in the world today as well as in all the days to come. Happy birthday once again.
Good morning, dear sister. I wish you that this day be as special as you are. I consider myself the luckiest person to have a gracious and reliable person in my life. You are most reliable and most helpful and most kind-hearted person. I want means I don't have words to express my gratitude. I wish you a many more happy returns of the day.
Many happy returns of the day, dear sister. As I got the opportunity to speak about you, I would like to tell you that I really like your administration, your management, the way you are making use of the time and guiding us time to time in our work and in our difficulties. Thank you very much, sister, for being in our life.
गुड मॉर्निंग सिस्टर। सबसे पहले जन्मदिन की आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। सिस्टर, आपके बारे में इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि आप मेरे लाइफ में बहुत बेस्ट आइडियल प्रिंसिपल हो, और आपकी सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे ये लगती है कि आप कभी भी किसी के ऊपर गुस्सा नहीं होती है। आप हर किसी को शांति से सुनती है और शांति से समझाती है। ये बात मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती है। मैं यही बात आपके जन्मदिन के अवसर पर कहना चाहता हूँ, और फिर से आपको जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। थैंक यू।
Very cheerful good morning, dear sister. Wish you a very happy birthday, sister. May Allah bless upon you abundantly. Wishing you tons of happiness and blessings on your birthday. I am blessed to you have next to me always. I totally appreciate all the inspiration you bring into my life. Having someone like you in my life is more than a blessing to me. Once again, happiest birthday, dear sister.
Many happy returns of the day, dear sister. Before meeting you, it was in my mind, leader or administrator must be strict and always with hunter in his hand. But sister, when I saw you, I came to know administrations can be done perfectly by using soft words and not hurting others' emotions. This skill you have, sister. Due to this, work is done without trace is perfect. Those we are facing this pandemic situation, then also because of your support, your guidance, we people are able to give 100%. Thank you, sister. God bless you. Have a wonderful day. Thank you, sister.
आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी बधाई। हर एक इंसान का कुछ न कुछ अपना एक भाव होता है, उसको देखकर मन में अनेक भाव आते हैं, लेकिन सिस्टर आपको देखकर हमारे मन में एक ही भाव आता है, और वो भाव है आदर का, सम्मान का। कहा जाता है माँ जन्म देने वाली होती है, प्यार करने वाली पहली गुरु होती है, लेकिन सिस्टर जो राह दिखाता है, सही मार्ग पर लेके जाता है, वो होता है हमारा गुरु। आप हमारे गुरु हो, क्योंकि आपने हमें डांट कर, समझा कर, प्यार कर कर समझदारी से राह दिखाई है। आज वही नतीजा है कि हम इतने कामयाब हुए हैं। सिस्टर, आप जहाँ कहीं भी रहोगे, लेकिन हम आपको कभी नहीं भुला सकते। दिल से यही कामना करूंगी कि आप जियो।
Good morning, sister. Wish you many happy returns of the day. I pray for your healthy and long life. You are a best well-wisher, supporter, and well-guider for me. God bless you, sister. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear sister. I can't express your importance in my life in words. You are lighthouse for me. You are like a mother for me. You are like a coconut, sometimes being hard and being soft. You have understood me always. You have encouraged me. You have motivated me many times. As I have a family of my own, similarly, I am very fortunate to get this big St. Joseph family. And above that, I feel very proud as you are the leader of this big family. And I feel very lucky in my life to have a principal like you. So on this special day, I wish you a very happy birthday.
वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा सिस्टर. आपल्याला उदंड व निरोगी आयुष्य लाभो हीच ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना. सिस्टरबद्दल मला एवढं सांगायचं आहे की सिस्टरजवळ मी जेव्हाही कुठलेही प्रॉब्लेम घेऊन जाते, शाळेचे म्हणा, पर्सनल म्हणा, त्यावेळी सिस्टर एकदम सोप्या आणि साध्या भाषेत त्याचं सोल्युशन मला सांगतात. हा जो सिस्टरचा स्वभाव आहे, हा स्वभाव मला फारच आवडतो. त्याबद्दल थँक्यू सिस्टर.
It's many happy returns of this day, sister. I really want to just tell you that it's my pleasure that to work with you. Actually, you are a very great leader and you really deserve a warm greeting today. So I really want to say you once again a many happy returns of this day in your life. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day, sister. May God bless you and shower His blessings upon you. Thank you, sister, for your kind and loving nature. You are the person of simple living but high thinking. Once again, happy birthday, sister. Thank you.
आदरणीय सिस्टर, प्रिंसिपल, सबसे पहले आपको जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. ईश्वर से प्रार्थना है कि वो आपको हमेशा स्वास्थ्य, निरोगी, चेहरे पे मुस्कान और हमारे जैसे अनेक अध्यापकों के लिए मार्गदर्शक के रूप में हमारे बीच में सदैव रहे. आपके बारे में क्या कहूँ सिस्टर, इतना ही कहूँगा. क्षण रोज सुखाचे यावे हृदयातून गीत हे गावे. क्षण रोज सुखाचे यावे हृदयातून गीत हे गावे. तुझ शतायुष्य लाभावे अशी आमुच्या मनी सदिच्छा. तुझे शतायुष्य लाभावे अशी आमुच्या मनी सदिच्छा. जन्मदिनाच्या लाख शुभेच्छा डियर सिस्टर. गॉड ब्लेस यू. थैंक यू सिस्टर.
Many happy returns of the day, sister. We pray for your good health and life. We are very lucky that you are our boss, who is a good human being first and then boss, who is thinking for all. Really, sister, the words are not enough to say about you. You are a good administrator, motivator, caretaker, everything. Thank you, sister. Once again, many happy returns of the day, sister.
Many happy returns of the day, sister. May God bless you abundantly. Sister, it's you because of whom I got to learn the technology. You are the asset of our school. May you be successful in all your missions and undertakings. Once again, I wish you a very lovely and happy birthday. Thank you, sister.
हमारी पाठशाला की आदरणीय प्राचार्य सिस्टर पॉलिन जी का आज बर्थडे है, तो इन सभी लोगों ने अपनी तरफ से उनको उनकी जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं दी. तो मैं भी अपनी तरफ से उनकी जन्मदिन पर ये शुभकामनाएं चंद पंक्तियों के द्वारा देना चाहूँगा. एक दुआ मांगते हैं हम अपने भगवान से, चाहते हैं आपकी खुशी पूरे ईमान से, सब हसरतें पूरी हो आपकी और आप मुस्कुराए दिलो जान से. तो ये विश मैं भगवान से मांगता हूँ कि हमारी सिस्टर को वो इसी तरह से मुस्कुराते रखे. और मैं फिर से यहाँ पर उनकी जन्मदिन की शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ. थैंक यू.
A very cheerful good morning to all. Wish you happy birthday, dear sister. what to say and how much say about our loving sister, words are less. She has a bulk of qualities, and you are the 5Gs today. You are a good listener. You are the good administrator. You are the good motivators. You are the good communicators. You are the good problem solver. I pray to God, keep these qualities in her lifetime. Keep physically fit and strong for service to God and service to man. सिस्टर, मैं आपके लिए 4 पंक्तियां बोलता हूँ। समझदार इंसान वो नहीं होता जो ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देता है। समझदार इंसान वो नहीं होता जो ईंट का जवाब पत्थर से देता है। समझदार इंसान वो होता है जो फेंकी हुई ईंट से आशिया बना लेता है, जो आशिया बना लेता है। ऐसे समझदार प्रिंसिपल हमें मिले हैं, यह हमारा सौभाग्य है। एंड वंस अगेन मेनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। थैंक यू सिस्टर।
गुड मॉर्निंग सिस्टर। सिस्टर, तुम्हाला जन्मदिवसाच्या आभाळभर शुभेच्छा। तुमच्याबद्दल जेवढं सांगावं तेवढं कमीच आहे, शब्दही अपुरे पडतात, तरीही मी एका लाईनमध्ये सांगण्याचा प्रयत्न करते सिस्टर। तुम्ही जे आम्हाला प्रेम देतात एका कुटुंबासारखं, आपलं सेंट जोसेफ ही एक शाळा नसून एक कुटुंब आहे आणि या कुटुंबाचे आधारप्रमुख आपण आहात। जसं एका झाडाखाली विसाव्यासाठी सगळेजण असतात, तसेच आम्ही तुमच्या विसाव्याखाली आहोत। आणि शाळेच्या पलीकडे जाऊनही सिस्टर तुम्ही जे आमच्या कुटुंबासाठी करतात, वेळ देतात, त्यांच्या तब्येतीची चौकशी करतात आणि तुम्ही जे आयुष्यामध्ये मला जी मदत केलेली आहे ती मी कधीच विसरू शकत नाही। तुमचं ते मॅनेजमेंट आणि हसून आमच्या चुका पोटात घालणं हा तुमचा एक महत्त्वाचा गुण सिस्टर खूप आम्हाला आवडतो आणि खूप काही शिकण्यासारखं आहे। आणि एक चांगला मुख्याध्यापक कसा असावा याचं एक मूर्तिमंत उदाहरण म्हणजे सिस्टर प्रिन्सिपल तुम्ही आहात। आणि अशाच हसत आनंदी हसतमुख रहा अशी मी ईश्वरचरणी प्रार्थना करते आणि पुनश्च एकदा तुम्हाला वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा।
Wish you happy birthday, dear sister. Thank you for always being there as a great support, as a mentor, as a elder sister, and as a spiritual mother. It is said that success is not depend on our wishbone, but it depends on our backbone. So thank you very much, sister, for being a backbone in my life. When I was nothing, you helped me to stand and walk and run. So thank you once again, sister, for your concern, for your love, and for your support. Once again, wish you happy birthday. Thank you.
Hello sister, I wish you a very happy birthday. Today my heart is full of gratitude because of the selfless and untiring efforts that you put towards us so that we get to learn and know more and more. The thing that I like the most about you is your friendly nature. You are just like a friend to all of your students and you do your job very enthusiastically and passionately. Surely having a principal like you is a blessing for our school and I wish you best wishes for your further life. Have a very good, great and a long life ahead. And once again I wish you a very happy birthday and thank you for all the good that you do for us. Thank you.
Hello sister, this is Vivek Lankeshwar wishing you a very happiest birthday of this year. All your contribution to our school, students and the opportunities you gave us and the motivation will be always with us. I feel very grateful to address this to you. I wish all the joy and happiness may reflect upon you as you have given others. I pray to Almighty for your long life. A very happiest birthday, sister.
I really get very surprised by seeing dedication and determination of Sister Principal towards her work. Dedication happens when we truly love our work. Sister Principal made her job as her passion. She always worked for improving students and most importantly teaching them values. Great values are built on strong moral foundation which have been provided by Sister Principal and our school. I am very grateful for all you have done for us. May God bless you with happiness. Happiest birthday, sister.
Dear sister, wishing a happiest birthday to the most wonderful principal. Many more happy returns of the day, sister. I wish you live long. Now there are many qualities to talk about you. You are kind and considerate. You are supportive and firm in all the rules and regulations. You are inspiring and encouraging. Really, sister, I have inspired from you a lot. You taught us the meaning of education and how to complete our life in a gentle way that you have told us. No gift can ever match the gift of knowledge you have given us. Really, sister, you are my role model and my dynamic personality. Once again, I wish you a heartiest birthday, sister. Thank you.
Dear sister, only the few students get the good principles, but having the best one is the luckiest thing. We are so lucky to have you as our principal because in other schools, principals are just the symbol of terror and fear. But we are easily can talk to you and solve our issues and problems just by talking to you. So you are so lucky to us. Also, you are the strongest pillar in our school. You never leave the hope and worked very hard and took all your efforts in this pandemic period and continued our studies. Also, you took many activities and programs like fancy dress competition, speech competition, essay competition, drawing competition, and so on. In the last first year, also, you conducted many programs and activities. Also, you said us to concentrate on studies. Also, you took many game plays in our school, which I have never seen before. I would like to say that I found discipline, guidance, and friendship in only one person, which were you. No words can express all my respect and admiration which I have towards you. Wisdom comes throughout the age, but you are God gifted and wise. Wishing you very, very, very happy birthday on this special day. And all the best for your coming up year. May this year be full of joy and happiness in your life. Wishing you again very, very happy birthday, dear sister.
Good morning, dear sister. First of all, many happy returns of the day to you. A warm gratitude arises when I think about you, dear sister. One such incident was very heart-touching when you visited my home. Your visit with my family will be unforgettable. Your visit made me realize that how simple, kind and soul-hearted you are. You have always motivated me for other curriculum activities. Your ideas and belief have uplifted our school to great heights. We are very grateful to have you. Thank you, sister, for being in our life.
And sister, the last thing is that all the messages which you are seeing right now, no, these all messages have been created by all the teachers on time. They have got no time to prepare for this. So it proves two things. One is the COVID times where you have supported all of us to learn the technology. All are very good in technology. And second thing, we all love you. A very happy birthday, dear sister. Bye bye. Take care. Have a good day.